So guys, yes, today is 4th of March and now let's see how the pre-open market has opened. You can see the pre-open market is opening today little bit of an positive side at 0.16% up at 17,096.60. Advanced stocks at 27, declines are 16 and unchanged is 7 stock. Okay, and now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap up section, that is Tata Steel with 2.48% up and Britannia with 2.10% up. And coming to the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, HDFC Life with 1.65% down and Hero MotoCorp with 1.90% down. So yes, these are the pre-open market as open today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, so make sure to stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be amazing. And also, if you guys miss to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses now. To provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also, I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now entering the live trade. I'm short selling ICICI Bank in the market level now. So yes, around 744.208 took my short selling level. So now let's see how the stock will perform. So we are in a short selling side of ICICI Bank. So planning to take at least like 4 to 5 points target in this stock. Actually, it was in a buy side if it was going above 746 or 747, but you can see it didn't go much to the buyer side. So that's why I changed my position to the selling side today. So yes, not expecting much of a movement. In the stock price is just 700 levels. So 4 to 5 points will be maximum, so we'll see how it will perform. And guys, yes, as you guys can see at the top left, the market is now minus 0.12% down. So you can see the stock has made a low of almost 742.10 now. So I'm waiting for it to make a new low. So once it touches 740 or somewhere, I'll just take my exit. So it's trying to make a new low now, and you can see how quickly it's taking a support. So we are seeing in a 1 minute candle chart right now. Okay, so just to see the quick movement of the stock, I just put in a 1 minute candle chart. Okay, so yes, it's a still hold for a sell side today. As you can see, the market is also started to come down, so that's why I'm still holding it. So once it makes the new low of 741.30 somewhere, I think it will go down from there. And also you can see the previous close is 741, so just waiting for that 741 to give a breakout. So after that I can expect some of the fast movement in ICICI Bank, so we'll see. And there also somewhere a key support in the between, so from there the stock is going up and coming back like 1 point. So you can see the market is continuing to fall down, minus 0.30% down. So trying to make a new low, 741.50 now. So yes, the movement is a bit slower today. So anyways, we'll wait for it and we'll see how it will perform. So just waiting for a new low to form, and yes, we are still holding the short sell position. So guys, 741.30. So we are about to make a new low now in this stock, I guess. So we'll see how it will perform. 741.20. So I think there is a support in 741 and 740. So that's why it's touching 741 and bouncing back up very quickly. But anyway, we are still holding it, and I'll just update you guys once I take my exit. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, the new low mud is almost 739.30, and yes, I took my exit. So this was a profit what I was able to make today in the today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.